Beautiful ladies, we bought you these beautiful linen cotton sarees today just at a cost range of 1618 rupees only, 80 rupees only. And if you see these sarees, it comes with this beautiful pallu, see, very beautiful, and these flower designs across the body of the saree, and this red color small buttas on across the pallu of the saree, and also in the pleats area. You can see the pleats are so rich and very nice when you wear it, and super comfortable to wear for a work or for a daily wear, and it looks very stylish and elegant as well. Along with this saree, we have two more models. We have multiple pieces in this, but the models, as you can see, along with this design, we have two more designs. See, very beautiful and stylish indigo color sarees, perfect for daily wear and work wear as well. And we will see each other designs in detail right now. This is the saree number 1 in our 3 different design set, right? This is the first design. As you can see, it comes with this beautiful red color buttas across the body of the saree. This will give this pop-up look, okay? See how beautiful this checker pattern across the body of the saree. And then the pallu end looks like this. See? Looks like this one. You note down that these red ones only comes on specific parts of the saree. On the draping place only for the half part, but the rest of the part these red ones won't be coming. And the blouse looks like this. Same color as indigo as the body of the saree. This is saree number 1 in this set. Saree number 2 and the design number 2 in this set. As you can see, it comes with again the same color, red color buttas across the body of the saree, and fully on the pallu area, and only till the half in the draping area, and the rest of it comes with the same flower design across the body of the saree with this very beautiful pallu. You can see, looks very stylish when you wear it, and these tassels on the edges of the pallu area. Very beautiful. That was saree number 2 for you, and this is saree number 3. I will show you in detail right now. Come close. This is the pallu part of the saree. As you can see, this pattern repeats across the pallu, and this is the tassels, you see. And you want to see the blouse design? This is the blouse design of the saree. And the body of the saree, as you can see. Please note down, during the body of the saree, half part looks like this and the rest of the half is plain. Saree number 3. You've seen the 3 different designs in this set, right? If you like any of these sarees, you can take a screenshot of that particular model clearly and then send to our WhatsApp number. Therefore, we can deliver your beautiful sarees.